আজি পিছৰ লাপোলা খবৰটি ইউনিয়ন মিনিষ্ট্ৰী অফ হোম এফেয়াৰ্ছ খানটো 5,858.60 crore of rupees logina 14 flood affected state Nagaland state laga share 19.20 crore of rupees logina amount tuli part of central share ti state disaster response force aro national disaster response fund hesabti share kur digina thaka official update pailu ase Kubote central government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi aro guidance of Union Home Minister Amit Shah cooperate kurgina central government country state of natural calamities hardship face kurgina ja thakya khanki shoulder to shoulder khara kurgina modob di thakya jonai di ase fund released to li Maharashtra state 1,492 crore of rupees Andhra Pradesh 1,036 crore, Assam State 716 crore, Bihar State 655.60 crore of rupees, Gujarat State 6,000 crore, Himachal Pradesh 189.20 crore of rupees, Kerala State 145.60 crore of rupees, Manipur State 50 crore, Mizoram State 21 crore, Sikkim 23.60, Telangana 416 crore of rupees, Tripura State 25 crore, West Bengal 468 crore of rupees, aro Nagaland State 19.20 crore of rupees logena sanction kridishe. Natural disaster effect logena duk pai thaka state country integral ministerial central team IMCTS Khan Logina, flood affected state of Assam, Meghalaya, Kerala, Tripura, Nagaland, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, aro Telangana state Pitoti, spot verify Kwarni, Pathai Dishiko Ase, aro IMCTS Khan P state of Bihar, West Bengal state T, visit Kurobole program Kurithaka, Jonai Di Ase. Ekta breaking khobor ami khan pai thaka sabti senior pastor Chumuki Dimati molestation hatsa social media platform thi circulate gridigena bahar ulaja upori board of father house church 7 mile Chumuki Dimakanti resignation karni requested gridigena detail huta huti kuri thaka report pailu ase board of church khan senior pastor address kridia official letter team senior pastor laga association ministry immediately seize kurdigina church laga nam cholabole authorize na thakya ho jaishiko ase itukani position of senior minister and member of church for resign kurobole avas uthai dishiko ase later the board khan to Asia Harvest Alliance khan logina kotha kurilo shiko ase aro ta laga immoral activity koi disha aro ki laga action holepi uthabole urge kurdigina board khan brought to map predishe holepi welfare of church hesabte strict action rakhibo koi dia ase social media platform ti circulate kridia fake thakise koigena kotha kuri thakse holepi serious immoral act hogena thakya bra resign kurobole demand kridisha aro September 22 tarik bra to official hojagena aro ja kali church board khan to social welfare department logina meeting kridia details to koidia nai hulipi ajitak ti formal complaint pastor opor file up kugena nai aro pastor to kotte polagena ase detail najene kugena report pa thaka sab viewers khan ge jonai di ase next khobote association of indigenous minority tribe of Nagaland AIMTN comprising of Kuki, Kachari, Garo and Mikir Karbi Koithaka Nagaland state government khanki formation of district level coordination committee for indigenous inhabited certificate aro permanent resident certificate PRC under the registered of indigenous inhabited of Nagaland Karni representation digena thakya state government khantu iku response na digena thakya limite awas uthai dia ase Khoborte Association of Indigenous Minority Tribe of Nagaland Khantu September 24 Tarik Nagaland Chief Secretary opor address kurdigina September 29 Tarik press release kurgena Aija Sholipi Association Khantu State Government Sidebra equal response napagena rukhi thakan miti awas uthai dia ase kili completely silent thakan miti koi dia ase aro state government response japap nakura issue ti AIMT Nkhan jonai thakal tu Kuki, Kachari, Garo aro Mikiri tribe Khantu state government response nakura takti district level coordination committee for ILC PRCT participate nakrubo kogena warning kridia ase itukani state government Khantu serious loidigena issue oporte paratak joldi response kudibole awas uthai dia ase police report pa thake asapti Putija lash unidentified non-Naga 50 years nishna mota ekjon Hevshe Bosti rubber farm ti phashi lagagena murija recover kurbo parshe kogena khobor paloi ase Deputy Commissioner of Police Crime and PRO Dimapur press release ti manulaga lash pa laga khobor pa asapti Newland police station duty party khan spot ponchigena recover kurlusha aro examination ti Nijor phashi lagai gena murija suspected krilu ase hatsa uporte legal formalities krilu apcheti last daily district hospital postmortem examination aro identification janibo karni pathai digena police khantu khandan nohulipi satibai khan murija janishe koile officer in charge of Newland police station Dimapur khobor krubole jonai dia ase